Hello friends, today's recipe is very interesting methi chicken fry. All we need for this is chicken, methi leaves and some spices. Methi leaves is nothing but fenugreek leaves which have high nutritional profile. They help in reducing bad cholesterol, controlling diabetes and also in weight loss. So why not incorporate these fenugreek leaves in our dish and make it more healthy and interesting. So let's try this. Let's get started with the recipe. Now heat the cooker, add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 pound cleaned chicken. To this chicken add a spoon of salt and 1 spoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Now give a good mix to all the ingredients and close the lid and pressure cook until 2 whistles. The reason why I am using cooker is I wanted the chicken to be cooked properly and evenly to avoid unnecessary health issues. Now here I am closing the cooker with lid and allowing it to cook until 2 whistles and switch off the stove and let it cool. Meanwhile, heat the pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. To this add 2 medium-sized chopped onions and 1 spoon salt, half a spoon of turmeric powder and mix everything and saute for a few minutes. Once the onions are translucent, add 3 chopped green chilies, 1 medium-sized sliced tomato and mix everything and cook on low flame. As the onions and tomatoes are well cooked, I am adding 1 big bunch of cleaned methi leaves and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Saute in between to avoid burning. After the methi leaves are 50% cooked, I am adding 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and 1 spoon of red chili powder, half a spoon of garam masala powder and give it a good mix and cook for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, I am adding our pressure cooked chicken to this onion, tomato, methi gravy and stir well until everything is well combined. Now add 1/4 cup of water and cook covered with lid for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I am adding 2 tablespoons of dry coconut powder and give a good mix. At this stage, do not cover with the lid, just saute in between until it becomes dry. Now adding a handful of chopped cilantro, I am going to fry this for more about 2 minutes. Once the oil starts leaving up, our methi chicken fry is well fried and ready to serve. So friends, please try this delicious and healthy methi chicken fry and do comment how it turned out. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe my recipes. Thanks for watching.